Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set up a Wi-Fi 7 connection on your Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. In order to set up the Wi-Fi 7 connection, you'll need to make sure that both your laptop's network adapter and your local network hardware support the Wi-Fi 7 standard. That means your Wi-Fi router also has to support Wi-Fi 7. Besides that, we need to make sure the laptop has a network card that supports it. To do that, open the Start menu and go to Device Manager. Then expand the Network Adapter section, and as you can see here, we have a MediaTek Wi-Fi 7 wireless LAN card, which means this laptop does support this standard. If needed, you can also update drivers for your network card using the Dell Support Assist application. Simply run it and then check for updates. If your device needs an update for the network card, you will get it right here. After that, simply connect to the Wi-Fi router that supports Wi-Fi 7. Select the Wi-Fi 7 network from the list, click Connect, enter the password, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.